We seek a new way forward based on mutual interest and mutual respect. To those leaders around the globe who seek to sow conflict or blame their society's ills on the West, know that your people will judge you on what you can build, not what you destroy.
President Obama, in your speech of presidential inauguration, you mentioned to the Muslim world that you will be remembered for what you build, not what you destroy. There is a small country within the most conflicted country on earth, Somalia. While the future of Somalia is uncertain, there is an independent, self-governed state, which was once part of Somalia. While the rest of Somalia is in crisis, Somaliland government managed to bring order and peace to its people. Somaliland chooses freedom over oppression, peace over conflicts, prosperity over poverty, and self-sufficiency over dependency. The country has its own flag, national anthem, currency, and passports. The United Nations and the rest of the world tries to ignore their success and achievement of being a free and independent country. Acknowledgement to the Republic of Somaliland is long overdue. President Obama, you are the man for change.